In this tutorial, we will discuss about essential parts of computer. A computer is any machine that can be programmed to carry out a set of algorithms and arithmetic instructions. Saying that computers have revolutionized our lives would be an understatement. The computers we think of today are so much more than that. These machines have completely changed the way we perform all daily tasks. Every computer system has the following three basic components: input unit, central processing unit or CPU, and output units. Input unit. This unit contains a devices with the help of which we enter data into the computer. This unit creates a link between the user and the computer. The input devices translate the information into a form understandable by the computer. Central Processing Unit or CPU. After receiving data and commands from users, a computer system now has to process it according to the instruction provided. Here it has to rely on components called the Central Processing Unit. The CPU further uses these three elements. The first is memory unit. Once a user enters data using input devices, the computer system stores this data in its memory unit. This data will now remain here until other components of CPU process it. The memory unit uses a set of pre-programmed instructions to further transmit this data to other parts of the CPU. The second one is arithmetic and logic unit. This part of the CPU performs arithmetic operations. It does basic mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. Further, it can even perform logical functions like the comparison of data. The third one is control unit. This unit is the backbone of the computer. It is responsible for coordinating tasks between all components of a computer system. The control unit collects data from input units and sends it to processing units depending on its nature. Finally, it also further transmits processed data to output units for users. Output unit. The output unit consists of devices with the help of which we get the information from the computer. This unit is a link between the computer and the users. Output devices translate the computer's output into a form understandable by the users. Whether it's a gaming system or a home PC, the main components that make up a typical present-day computer include case, power supply, motherboard, a central processing unit or CPU, a graphics processing unit or GPU, random access memory or RAM, storage, solid state drive or hard disk drive. Computer case. A computer case, also known as a computer chassis, tower, system unit or a cabinet, is the enclosure that contains most of the components of a personal computer like the motherboard, hard drive, optical drive, floppy disk drive, etc. They typically come bundled with a power supply. Cases are usually constructed from steel, aluminium and plastic. Power supply. A power supply is a hardware component that supplies power to an electrical device. It receives power from an electrical outlet and converts the current from AC, that is alternating current, to DC, that is direct current, which is what the computer requires. The motherboard acts as the central backbone of a computer on which other modular parts are installed such as the CPU, RAM, hard disk, TV card, graphics, etc. It is also acts as the platform on which various expansion slots are available to install other devices or interfaces. The motherboard is also responsible to disrupt power to the various components of the computer. They are also used in the coordination of the various devices in the computer and maintain an interface among them. Central Processing Unit or CPU. The CPU is the primary component of a computer that processes instructions. It runs the operating system and applications, constantly receiving input from the user or active software programs. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all types of data processing operations. It stores data, intermediate results, and instructions. It controls the operation of all parts of the computer. Graphics Processing Unit or GPU. It is not uncommon to hear gamers obsess over the next new graphics card, as these graphics cards make it possible for computers to generate high-end visuals like those found in many different types of video games. Graphics cards often communicate directly with the display monitor. A better graphics card significantly improves a computer's gaming ability. The card can also improve the computing experience by playing video better and freeing up memory. All computers have a graphics card either built into the motherboard or pre-installed, but it may be possible to install a new card. Nowadays, most of us use Android phones and we are very familiar with the word RAM. All we have a little bit of knowledge about RAM. RAM is the main memory in a computer. The data in RAM can be read, that is retrieved, or written, that is stored. It stores data and programs that can be accessed directly by the processor. RAM holds temporary instructions and data needed to complete tasks. This enables the computer CPU to access instructions and data stored in the memory very quickly. RAM stores data during and after processing. RAM is also called volatile memory. It is called volatile memory because it gets erased every time the computer restarts. RAM helps programs and games start up and close quickly. Storage. All computers need somewhere to store their data. Modern computers either use a hard disk drive or solid state drive. Hard disk drives are made of an actual disk onto which data is stored. The disk is read by a mechanical arm. HDDs are cheaper than SSDs but are slowly becoming more and more obsolete. SSDs have no moving parts and are faster than a hard drive because no time is spent waiting for a mechanical arm to find data on a physical location on the disk. Now try this. Describe the functions of CPU. Discuss the difference between RAM and ROM. Why SSD is better than HDD. Discuss different types of computer memory and their functions.